Kasukero. Yung ibang
They
caller
trying to engage on me, ha? They trying to engage on me. Please support me. Elian nyo agad pre pag engaging sila. Okay, I'll do fake. I'll do fake. Oh, cleric, okay. Oh my god, 3 clerics. What the fuck? Ready on me in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, no, fuck. Okay, no, cancel. It's fine.
Nabato ko sa akin.
Hit the one inside. Hit the one inside.
14.
Hit the one inside. Sukero got engaged. Nice. Okay, ready. Go inside. Ready in 5.
Wala ko.
4. Wait. Ready. North side. In 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Big. Healer on me. Healer. Kill this. Okay, come back. Mick. Getting engaged. Mick getting engaged. Nice. I need deals. Okay. Go northeast. Spread.
7 seconds.
Shania needs heals. Okay, spread right here. Yeah, it's spread. They're gonna engage on the north side. Spread on the north side. Don't clamp up. Principe, Squirty, don't clamp up. Okay, they engaging north side. Oh, GG, Principe, go out there. I need heals. I'm gonna need heals. Okay, Mia, they engaging on Mia. Wait. Now, they engage now. Okay, spread on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, on me now. Big. Delete. Okay, spread. Okay, ready. Okay, kill the one inside. That healer. You see the healer? But don't panel, okay? They're gonna engage on the north side. Spread on the north side. Okay, nice DJ. Already on me in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Big. Nice. Spread and brawl. They're gonna engage on you. Spread and then brawl. They're going to engage on the middle. Spread. Kill sneak. Ready on me in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. South side. Fuck. Spread.
Oy, nagbigay ako ha. Nabigay ko yung sa akin.
They're gonna engage on the south side. Southeast side. Pangit. Move away to each other. Shania needs heals. Oh, ready on me again. In 5,
Ready.
4, 3, 2. On me now. This depth tank on me. So okay, spread out again. Heals up. Okay. Spread the brawl the one inside. Brawl the one inside. Spread out. They engaging. Okay, ready on the east side. Ready? Wait. Spread on the west. Uy, move away to each other. Ready on me in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Full engage. Okay, spread out. Okay, spread on the northeast and then northwest. Heals up. So, Kiro, Mick, mag-out ka muna, Mick. Okay, they're gonna engage on the north side. Spread on the north side. Hello. Gigpats ready? Gigpats ready on Mia. Gigpats, Mia. Yalyonud. Nice on me. Ready on me in 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Big. Nice. Brawl. Nice one. Spread. Nice one. Spread and brawl. The healer. You see the healer? The healer. The healer on me. Okay, they're gonna engage on the north side. Spread on the north side. Now. Oh my god. Nice. Okay, ready on inside in 5, 4, 3, 2. Inside. Big. Okay, spread out again. Nice. Spread out again. Roll the one in south side. DPS, roll the one in south side, please. Okay, they're gonna engage south side. They're gonna engage on the south side. Spread on the north side. Spread, Shania, Sukiro. Spread. Ready on me. In 5, 4. Wait. I got stop. They're engaging now. Spread. Nice. Elianud. Ready on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. On me now. Big. Oh my god. Nice. Kill this. My baby. You see my baby? Spread out. Yeah, spread out, spread out.
Ina mo, ba't ka nanunusok dyan? Gago ka.
Spread out,
bawal yan.
spread out, spread out. Engaging, this kid, engaging. Okay,
Yung
ano,
roll the
yung-
healer, roll the healer, roll the healer. You see the healer on the south side? Roll the healer, roll the healer. Ready inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute. Big. Roll the healer, roll the blight. Engaging. Spread. Tang ina naman, so
Yung healer, namamatay. Healer.
Healer gonna die. Ready on me in 5.
Like,
Wait.
gonna die, bro.
Healer outside. Brawl in 5, 4, 3,
Nagbigay ako.
1 minute. Big.
Nagbigay ko sa sorry.
DPS, come on.
Silent.
Roll the blight. Of longbow. Roll the longbow. You see the longbow? Roll the longbow. Okay, they don't have damage. Ready inside in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Mamamatay ako.
1 minute. Big. Nice. Nice one. Spread out. Kill silver. Engaging. Spread. Ready on me in 5. If you have it.
Hindi ako.
Mamamatay ko
One.
na.
Now on me. Nice caller gonna die.
Okay,
Easy. GG. Don't die. Don't kill no more.
Don't kill na, uy. Gago.
Ang gago si Bash,
Bundot.
nanunuhog.
Don't look. Let me look. Fuck it, bro. Kilua, masyado kang gumigit na, Kilua.
KLM, ayaw na talaga nila sa akin.